Hi, and welcome to another fit-for-purpose product presentation. In this segment, we'll be talking about Vauth Sagel TAL storage solutions. This is the Vauth Sagel VS TAL Larder, the classic pull-out pantry with a fixed front on it. Pull-out units like this rely on the quality of the runners they slide on, and Vauth Sagel units are built on heavy-duty runners. These pantries are designed and made in Germany and are top quality. Now, the big advantage to units like this is that you get access from both sides and great visibility. So you can find things quickly when you're cooking, and you can see at a glance what you need when you're writing out your shopping list. This obviously helps with avoiding those annoying double ups on shopping where you find you've bought things you didn't need just because you couldn't see them, buried way at the back of the cupboard. These units are very efficient in terms of how they use space, and they have a very good load capacity. In fact, 16 kgs per basket to a total of 80 kgs in the contents, or 120 kgs if you include the frame itself and the front panel. They're nice to use with a good soft close action and plenty of size options too. Models for cabinets from 300mm all the way up to 500mm wide, and 4 different heights, each of which has a good adjustment range. Baskets can be height adjusted and have a good strong clip. Now here's a pro tip for any pull-out pantry unit. We highly recommend that you get your cabinet maker to put additional support in under the base panel, directly underneath the sliding mechanism. This greatly reduces the chance of your base panel sagging, and in many cases, warranty depends on this extra support being in place. These pantries have a clean look and are available in our 2 Vauth Sagel styles: Planero with powder-coated steel baskets, and Premier with white solid base shelves and chrome style rails. Now here's a question for you. When's a pantry not a pantry? Well, when it's used for non-food storage. We've seen this unit installed in craft rooms, kids' rooms, and even in garages for convenient pull-out storage of just about anything. And a couple of points for the kitchen and cabinet makers out there. There's good stabilization on the front frame and 3D adjustment on the front for a great fit. Plus, it features Vauth Sagel's Easy Fit system, which means no tools are required for fitting the frame onto the lower or upper runners.